Yes, people, we are live. We are live. Okay, let me just give me 2 minutes to share these links and all that on my socials. Money Monday, people, Money Monday. Let's get going. Uh, uh, got it, got it. All right, just give me 2 minutes, people. Just give me 2 minutes, please, please, people, please. Okay. There we go. There we go. Move and move. Right. Allow me a few minutes, my friends. My friends, allow me a few minutes, please. Right, so Monday. Monday is a risky day, my friends. So we're not gonna jump into positions. I'm just trying to sort these links out on my socials. Right. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wait, how do I fucking oh I should right, let me pop up the fucking control panel and chat. There we go. I am trying. I'm trying, my friends. Just give me 2 minutes. I believe we don't have any viewers at the moment. So, whoa. Spanish neighborhoods are mental, right? Spanish neighborhoods are fucking mental. Right, so let me fucking. There we go. Paste. Right, let me. Should I share it on fucking Facebook? I don't know. I think Facebook is for old people. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, right, people. So I've shared the stories. I'm gonna wait for like 5 minutes. We are gonna be in, my friends. Just 5 more minutes. We are gonna be in. Let me sort myself out. So I need some friends popping in a bit. Money Monday, Money Monday, my friends. PowerPoint. Right. My fucking. Right. So wait, let me turn this off for a moment. So we are waiting for a proper close, either above this resistance or below the support. Right. I'm not going to be trading between these zones because that is a risky trade. That is, friends. Right. So just waiting for some people to pop into the stream. I'm going to take the piss out of myself. Amazon. Oh, thank you. Anyways, we are going to be trying to look at gold. You know what? Today I'm going to try looking at forex as well. Normally I don't trade forex. I don't. I'm not. No, I'm not one of them forex lot. I don't trade forex. Fiat currencies is what I mean. But I mean we do have a nice set of forming on GBP JPY. This was a nice buy. It was if I was there when it happened. Do you know what I mean? Oh, it only happened like 30 minutes ago. But anyways, we do have this break of this level here. Okay, so the only two currencies I'm going to be considering, that is, wait, let me see if someone's watching. Right. So the only two currencies I'm going to be considering is gold and GBP JPY. Right. So these currencies, because these are GBP JPY is. I mean, this is Raja special. Do you know what I mean? So I'm gonna rename this Raja special. Oh, fuck me. Special. There we go. Right. So there's. Let me see if I can try integrating Twitch streaming services on my fucking streaming platform. Let's see. Let's see. So we've got YouTube uh, stream, right? So service, primary service. Can I do multiple? Wait, I need some people popping in a bit, but let me see. Right, I'm an amateur. Please do not make fun of me. How to? Oh shit! Oh, you know. Never mind. Let, let me type that here. How to stream on Twitch. Oh, in fact, fuck Twitch. I'm gonna do Kick. I'm gonna Kick and YouTube. Jim Skin, if you know what I mean. Kick on YouTube at once using OBS, right? So copy that. I'm not gonna be typing on my fucking Google breath. There you go. How to multi-stream with yes. Right, Twitch and more. Oh, so I need a plugin for that. Oh, okay. I can try to sort it myself out. So I'm just gonna pop this here. Multi-stream with OBS. Yes, you can. Right, so that is happening. Wait, I need to see if there's people popping in and all that, you know. 'Cause, let me see. People watching. Three people at the moment. Been like, okay, 5 minutes. I'm just gonna wait for 5 more minutes. Then we can see what's gonna happen. Right. So let me get these out of the way. Wait. Can I make another watch list? Is it possible to make another? I don't know. Right. So I'm gonna do commodity plus index, which is. I'm just gonna throw these here for now. Please do not take the piss out of me because of this, because these are rather special ones. These ones are decent, but in fact, I think I would prefer USD JPY over GBP JPY because I trade the New York session, you know. Let me see. Right, so it could be nice sells here, right? Uh, in fact, no, wait. Let me think about that. You know, any chart? No. Right for. Oh, so it's just been ranging. I don't want to touch that though. What I'll do is put this right here. This is looking. It's not looking that bad, you know. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Right. So this is looking decent. I need to buy a new camera. I need to get a new mic and all that proper setup because my streams are not going to be about just fucking trading, because trading is boring. Wow, the neighborhoods are mental here. But anyways, you know, fucking trading is fucking boring. I don't want to sit in front of charts for hours and hours. You know, I want to try going outside and streaming proper. You know, right, right. So if this closes like this, which is very unlikely to happen, right? But if it does, that way we can push downwards. But I believe this is going to push further down, come right here or something, and then close. Right, time for the play people. But anyways, going to come down here, maybe close here or something. Right, there we go. But maybe if it closes like down here, that could be a good opportunity for sells, which is exactly what I'm looking for, right? So yeah, I mean, just waiting at this point. Let's look at the outlook for this week we have, which is today's Monday. Today is a bank holiday. Oh, wait, never mind. I should not be trading today. Today is not a good day to be trading, my friends. Fuck me, bro. Wait, tomorrow is USD, which is low impact, so it's not going to be a big deal. Then we have, yep, no special news for USD. ADP weekly climate change, which is nothing. Wednesday could be a big deal. Yep, there we go. So got PCE, price index, prelim GDP, right, which is UTC plus one time is 1:30 p.m., which is what I'm going to be looking at, and then you've got nothing for USD on fucking Friday. Oh, okay, Friday, which is nothing. Okay, so that's not too bad. It's not too bad. I don't mind that, you know. Right, so this week is looking pretty clean, apart from Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, so it is Thursday, I believe. Yeah. So apart from Thursday, it's looking pretty clean. It's not going to be that big of a deal. What I want to look at is any recent news we've had. Right. So the recent ones. Right. I want to try getting a membership for The Guardian. Right. That'd be pretty nice. But okay, new Iran's Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher, Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi, I don't know how you say that, and earlier today for talks on ongoing diplomatic efforts to end the conflict. A source briefed on the visit told Fox News, right? All this British people say, and I mean, yes, but then again, it really depends on the price action, because we've got clean range here, right? Wait, if I fucking do this. There we go. So we've got clean range till fucking this point. Do you know what I mean? We've got clean range. We've got how many pips is that? That is fucking 86. Oh, I'm so surprised, and I'll tell you why. Because around two to 3 months ago, the volume we had in gold was mental. That's proper volume. This would be like 300, 200, 300 pips. This is just barely 70 to 80 pips this, right? Which is, wait, let me just make sure if I'm, yeah, 7.5, which is 75 pips, which is nothing, man. This range is more than 90 pips, right? So suns are looking nice because you've got this range here. But if we're looking for bias, we're going to be waiting for a close above this level. If we're going to be, wait, I need to see if there's people watching me. No. Right, I'm going to go. Wait, let me pull up. Protein. Five, in fact, five is really nice. I'm not going to argue with that. Right, so, back. Five. Right, so I need to. There's no one watching me, there's no one watching me at the moment, so I'm gonna put my phone on silent because I don't want no fucking. Oh shit! Oh shit! What is happening here? Oh, there we go. It's the fucking mouse. Be right back in five, people. Be right back in five. My protein shake is waiting for me. Right? Be right back in five. I'll be back, people. I'll be back. We are back, people. We are back. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me fucking check this out. Right. Let's see what bits gold is doing for us. Right. Is anyone watching? Right. So gold is looking, like I said, I was positive it would have, given us a nice rejection on top. So we're just waiting for a close at this point. Let me just write this down so people can come in and see what I'm talking about if you are into trading, right? So what we're doing is 50 to 50,000, right? Which is going to be too much. So scratch that. We're going to do 50 to 5,000, right? $50 to $5,000, right? That's all we're going to do. So I've deposited $50. Wait. Allow me to fucking. God. So recently, let me tell you guys. Last time when I streamed, I was not recording, which means I was unable to create clips and all that and start posting them online. But this time, I've pressed the recording button and what is this? Rocket Army Chief when he tells Wang Yi you're supposed to be in what? Supposed to be reached. U.S. agreement, which means gold could stabilize or maybe even dip. But then again, the thing is, when war happened, everyone was so positive that gold is going to fly up, right? Everyone was so positive, but that did not happen. Nope. That motherfucker fucking tanked. Fucking tanked. That guy did. Right, so we're not going to talk about that. Oh yeah, I need this. With that stream. If I have to buy it, I'm going to do it afterwards. Do you know what I mean? Pricing. Oh, there we go. Pricing, right? Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I just need to, for the time being, and afterwards I could, do it with a few other accounts, if you know what I mean. Right, I'm streaming. Let me put this on my story on fucking Snapchat as well. Might as well. Might as well. Right. Camera roll is. Nah, fuck that, bro. Stream from your browser. Right. So I'm gonna sort this out afterwards. Just gonna leave it open here for now. Let me just put this on my fucking. Oh, wait, you guys can see me. Sheesh, that's nice. So I'm sitting here. Oh wait, you cannot. No, you cannot see me now. Right. So let me take a picture of this. Alright, it is tanking, which is quite good, which is nice. Where's my fucking? Oh, thank you, Daraj. Uh, I think I've got to copy the link again, so give me like 2 minutes. Oh baby, won't you dream it away? I'll be back on my feet someday. Okay, yeah, wait, can I? If I use fucking Snapchat is not for me, my friends. Snapchat is not for me. Nope. Can I? Wait, if I post this on my story, can I? Fucking. Right. My apologies, people. I need to sort myself out. Right. This is my. Bear in mind, this is my second stream, so I need to, work on my socials and all that. So give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Right. Copy link. Let me see if this works. Right. No, it's not working. Right. So Snapchat is fucked. Snapchat is fucked, my friends. Uh, how do I make this work? How does this work? Right. Right. So Snapchat is not going to work. Not anytime soon. No. Right. So that's fine. I can try sorting that out afterwards. Right. So we can see the candle is broken, the support, but not closed like this. So I'm going to wait for it to close. Maybe try reaching upwards, creating some sort of resistance, and then push downwards. And that way I could enter proper cells, and we could possibly come down here for this range, right? This range. Could be this, but I'm gonna wait. Let me go 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stay here. Let me take a look at the 5-minute time frame. 5 minute is looking clean, but I want a nice resistance to form, and then we could push downwards, right? There is no point of rushing. There is no point of rushing. Right. I think it's just me watching myself. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna see results. Gonna give myself a like. Right. Got no money, just no go. This is overextended. I do not want to enter cells here. I'm not gonna do that. If it for some reason closes here, it is what it is. I'm still gonna wait for some sort of resistance to form and then push downwards. Wow, the neighbors here are mental, bro. The neighbors here are mental, bro. I can't. This is just perfect. This is absolutely mental. Right. So I got the foot. That's my brother, by the way. Oh shit. Right, so this is pushing downwards. It is what it is. I'm not gonna cry about it. You know, I'm not gonna cry about it. You can just wait. Just wait at this point. This is Monday, It's Monday, so I'm not gonna rush into a position which is gonna be, 70% or 80% chance of losing them, then regret afterwards. No, let's be sensible and wait. This protein shake is amazing, bro. Biotech USA. So I think it's a European company. Not country, fuck me, bro. Wait, Biotech USA. This one. So I've got these ones. I think it's this one. 100% pure whey protein with BCAs and fucking bromelain and all that bullshit, bro. It's amazing. 100% whey, right? Right. So it's hazelnut, right? Hazelnut. This one. So I believe I've got exactly this one. Oh wait, no, this is apple pie, isn't it? Uh, pastel de manzana, banana, chocolate. Oh shit, bro! I need to fucking, I need to turn the notifications off. For hazelnut, avellana. Yep, that's hazelnut. Avellana. Yep, I told you, bro. I'm learning Spanish, bro. I'm amazing. I'm amazingly 100%. Oh wait. Oh, this is not a good idea, bro. Oh shit, I should not be turning that on. Oh, turn that off. Shit. You're not gonna see my pictures and all that, bro. No, that is not a good idea. Wait, give me a second. Give me a second, lads. Give me 2 minutes, please. Please, people, please. You know, you know what I mean. Right, I'm gonna take a look. Roll real quick. Yep, that is not looking good. Right, so I mean, it is what it is. Wow, nobody's watching me, but it's mental. I mean, this is exactly what it's gonna be like for the next 2 or 3 weeks. So uh, I'm not gonna cry about it. More options. Can I mute the fucking notifications or something? 'Cause I'm so tired of these, bro. Clear all, clear all, bro. No, you're not gonna see mental shit, bro. I can't let that happen, bro. Bro, why is my phone so fucking? Devices is. I think I've got two devices linked on my shit. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's the one. That is the one. I don't want you guys to see that. No, that is gonna be a problem. Right. So just gonna let that be for now. Can't be asked with that. I'm gonna stream for 20 more minutes, and yeah, yeah. Oh, so I think on the hourly time frame, it could have been an impulse sell. It could have. But yeah, I wouldn't want to risk fucking, I don't know, fucking 80 pips. No, it's Monday. No point. No point in risking money like that. Bro. Anyways, coming back to this protein powder, it's amazing. It is amazing, bro. Low sugar, hormone free, preservative free. And you know, with some things you can actually tell that there's no preservatives because whenever I have this protein shake and I leave it there for like say fucking 30 minutes, 40 minutes after, of course, I mean after drinking, just leave it there. It sort of smells, bro, afterwards. Do you know what I mean? Which is technically speaking, it's a good thing. Look at you, bro, fucking Jack. Sin sabor, which means no fucking, I don't know, sugar, unflavored. Oh, sabor means flavor. Okay, no flavor. Look at me, bro. Platano means bananas, by the way. Apple pie. Coconut chocolate sounds nice. But Avellana, which is hazelnut. Milk rice? Ooh, sounds quite nice. But who is watching me? भाई ट्रेडिंग करो ये क्या दिखा रही हो भैया पहले टाइप करना सीख लो ना जानू but the thing about trading is there's no proper setup I want to jump in. Do you know what I mean? It's one day. This is very risky. I'm not going to look at 5 minute time frame, which is I mean totally bonkers. No, 15 minute time frame. I've got no confirmations. 30 minute time frame is just fucking impulse entry. 1 hour time frame. I've got 80 pips stop loss, which I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna risk 80 pips. 4 hour. I don't trade on 4 hour. So there you have it. That's why I'm not trading at the moment, right? Since you just pop how to make money, Azozi. Azozi says how to make money. Right. Yeah, Aziz, Aziz, you fucking dickhead. Is this you, bro? Wait, let me see if you've seen the story or not. Aziz Saleh. सुना कैसा से $1 से 1000 बन जाएंगे भाई आप कर दो फिर ऐसे कर दो फिर क्या कहें क्या हाल कर दो फिर right so रुको रुको अच्छा आपको तो टेंशन ही नहीं है पैसों की आप क्यों यहाँ पे आए हो हैं आप क्यों देखने आए हो you don't need to fucking worry about money bro कोई घटिया बात करेगा मुझे पता है भाई स्पेनिश नेबर्स बहुत कसम से स्पेनिश नेबर्स मेरे जो है ना इतना ऊंचा बोलते हैं कसम से सर खाया एनीवेज यप तो इसलिए मैं अभी कोई ट्रेड नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि ऊपर से मंडे है ठीक है the daily time frame was looking very confusing I would have guessed sells लेकिन बात ये कि it really depends on the fucking um, price action oh love thank you Aziz thank you लेकिन Cells लग रहे हैं लेकिन you know then again I mean if I don't see a proper setup there's no point in me jumping in. Do you know what I mean? It's gonna be a waste of money if I do that. So and that's one thing I've learned. Me and Aziz, ये बंदा जो है, me and Aziz we've had very interesting experiences together. Aziz याद है अगस्त में कसम से भाई जितने पैसे मैं लूज किए मैंने और अजीज ने बहुत पैसे लूज किए भाई लेकिन एनीवेज चलता रहता है क्या ख्याल है me and Aziz we've been through shit bro लेकिन but हाँ we move ठीक है चीजें हो रही हैं अभी currently है कि I've got $50 deposited into this XNES account ठीक है and I'm trying to scale it to 5,000 or something तो yep अभी currently तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ कोशिश बाकी ओवरऑल गोल रेंज कर रहा है तो ठीक है कोई पॉइंट नहीं है अनलेस ये इस लेवल से इनफैक्ट लेट मी जस्ट चेंज दिस फकिंग सपोर्ट इस लेवल के नीचे क्लोज होता है ठीक है this would make sense. Do you know what I mean? This would make sense because you've got it ranging for how many hours? How many hours is this? This is fucking more than 14, 13, 14 hours. It's been ranging. So now if it breaks out, right, proper closes, breaks the lower wick, the previous candle, I could jump in with the proper position. Do you know what I mean? I could do that. I wouldn't mind. But yeah, that's what it is, my friends. That's what it is. I'm happy now. I've got proper engagement now. कुछ लोग आए हैं. ठीक है. I'm gonna be closing the stream in about 5 minutes. बस 5 मिनट में बंद. I'm not gonna be trading no. Right. Yeah. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Put this down here. It's not sorted out. This is the upper level, which is in case it is bias, which is due to this happening, right? Wait, let me see. Wow, fuck off. Right. In case it does happen, we could wait for a bullish candle to form on a 30-minute time frame, right? If that happens, then yeah, I'm gonna jump in straight up. I'm gonna jump in. Apart from that, no chance. ये गलती मैं नहीं कर रहा. ये गलती मैं नहीं करता भाई. Let me turn some music on, bro. कोई setup नहीं कुछ भी नहीं ठीक है. This is exactly why you have to wait sometimes, you know. क्योंकि trading is देखो 5 मिनट टाइम पे कर तो सकता है बंदा लेकिन बात है कि it's very risky ठीक है 5 मिनट टाइम पे ठीक है it's extremely risky और फिर आप अपनी अपना जो भी एसेट्स जो भी आपके फंड्स हैं जो आप अपने अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट करके ट्रेड करते हैं होपफुली आप गैम्बल नहीं कर रहे ठीक है अगर आप गैम्बल कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है करें यू नो anyways let me get some clues bro let me listen to some clues bro I like me some clues Oh wait, wait. I
Hi
don't.
there!
I hope I
Would
don't
you
get
like to
fucking
receive a
copyrighted,
gift?
bro. Oh
I'm a
fuck
missionary
off.
for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and this is the Book of Mormon. Specifically,
Copyright free, bro. Copyright free. Music coming up free. There we go. Right. Woo! I like that. Right. So I don't know. I mean, the thing about USD is, the thing about fiat currencies in general is they're not very volatile. You know. Right. So we can just wait here for a few minutes. Just support my king. Support my king. Alright, let's see what happens. Right, so like I said, I'm not going to be trading within this range. It's either sells below this level or buys above this level, right? let's see how this candle closes, right? If the previous candle wicks down, reasonably wicks down, not come here, like comes like here or something, and breaks the high of the previous candle, I could enter for buys, right? So that's what I'm looking at, because the 30-minute candle is sort of rejecting, which is a good sign. 1 hour is rejecting, 4 hour is right. So it's quite an interesting position to be in. Wow, that is loud. There you go. That is better now. Right, 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Right. So since I'm not too sure about this position, I'm gonna do half the lot I usually do. Right. It should be a reasonable wick down and then wick up. Certain pronunciations of certain things I say. Who people like yourself, I'm a Paki, which I am. Right, so I'm looking at fucking buys certain points. Right, yeah, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna try waiting for a nice wick down. Wick up afterwards. Right, here we go. Looks decent. We'll certainly try this. Aim for this much. That is fine. Right. That's totally fine. I'm gonna take that here. Take that. Right, so let's wait for a nice punch upwards, which would give us our required profits. Right, let's see. Gonna be nice and patient with this, because remember, people, you don't get nothing if you're not patient. You don't get nothing, right? So we do have decent news coming in, especially when it comes to the peace talks and the war and all that. It's not looking that bad. Oh, fuck this. Right, so it's not looking that bad. Let me try refreshing this. Trump negotiations are proceeding nicely, right? Which is not too bad for gold, which is definitely not too bad for gold. So let's see where this can take us. Let's see. Let's see, my people. So this is 90 pips, right? So when it comes like here, right? 40 pips, which is 65. Okay, 565, and I close um at least half of my position. Half of my position I close. If I ever close this, right? That's Yep. That sounds decent. Yeah. Just gonna wait for that to play out, and yeah, relax. It's Monday. We don't need to worry about stuff. People are making money. Let me see how many people are watching me, witnessing this. Right. Look at that, bro. Amazing. Imagine you were here like 15 minutes ago when I was telling you guys, not even 15 minutes, like 6 minutes ago, and you bought this. You would have made money. Do you know what I mean? So, right, it's gonna plunge downwards, plunge upwards, see a nice pull upwards. Boom. Right, that's my profit done for the day. See how this position plays out, though I'm gonna place this here. Right, let me record a nice video for fucking Instagram. Do you know what I mean? Right, no one is joining. I guess people are just allergic to making money. Do you know what I mean? Let me do that again. Right, no one is watching. Some people are just allergic to making money. You know. Look at that, bro. That is oh shit. That is amazing. That is amazing. That is amazing. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? Right, that was amazing, guys. That was amazing. Right, that was exactly what I was looking for. How many pips is that? That is fucking almost 70 pips, right? 68 is what we were aiming for. That is just amazing. Just amazing. Right, so I'm just happy I can turn my stream off in a bit now. I don't have to worry about nothing. Can possibly move this here. Right, that should be perfect. Thank you so much for the ones who are watching. For the ones that are not watching, I mean, I hope you guys watch in the future because it's only gonna benefit you guys. You know what I mean? Me, I'm only streaming for myself in the sense that I've tracked my progress. But thank you so much for the one who's still watching. I think